So everyone.
M is 58.
So now, so 68 plus 54 is how much?
122.
Yes.
122. 68 plus 54.
So M is equals to
58.
180 minus.
180 minus 122.
Yes, I think you should know that you are grade 8 now because it is 122 plus M equals to 180. So what is the answer there? M is equals to what?
For M.
Is what?
M 58.
Over. Anybody with a question up to there?
No.
So before we continue, I want you guys to give me equal angles. Which angles do you think are equal in this shape? Give me all angles that you think are equal. I'll start with the Karim. What and what? Give me. First of all was M is equals to N, right?
Yes.
Another one?
Which one?
M
equal N.
We've said that one.
Yes.
Another one?
Y equal E.
Y equals E. Yes,
E.
thank you. Y equals
E.
E. Another property. Which one are equal again?
D equal 54.
No.
Z equals X. Z equal X.
Z is not equal to X. Do you know why?
Z equal Q?
No. Z equal X minus 360 minus X.
Z and X will be related only if we have parallel lines. We don't have parallel lines here. Yeah?
Yes.
We don't have parallel lines. If this line, let me make it red. If this line here, the red line, and this other one, let me make this one blue. And the blue line, if they were parallel, then we would say Z can be, we can start arguing about Z and X, okay? Then, but now we can't because they're not parallel. Or you can even say Z equals to 68, yeah? But they're not parallel, which is equals to Q, of course. But they're not parallel. Can you see they're not parallel? So we can't start bringing that idea here. So which other angles are equal? There are so many.
Is Q equal to 68?
Yes, Q equals to 68. Thank you.
Z with D?
Z with D. Thank you. Who is that? Oh, Najma. I didn't put your name in the star of the month. I'll put it today.
Thank you.
Yes, Z is equals to D, of course. So I think they're over, the ones that you can see, right? So we've answered Q is equal to 68. Oh, so who can tell me how can we find X? Oh, first of all, N is equals to what? M, which is equals to 58, right?
8, yes.
Yes.
So N is 58. So we can say, you can come here and put, where we have N, you can put 58. You can say this part is 58. Right? So how can we find X?
X plus E plus 54.
X plus?
E?
No, X and E are not related. Why are they related?
Nah.
X plus 54 is equals to what?
180.
So what is X? 180 minus?
126.
120. So where we have X, we come and put 126, then over. Okay, how can we find E? How can we find E? We know that E plus N is what?
180.
180, thank you. They're in a straight line. And now this will give us that, this will give us what? that
180 minus 50.
122. 122.
so we know E plus 58. And
One-
is 58, right?
Yeah, 122. E.
Yes.
180.
One.
That E
E equals
is equals to
58 minus 180. 8 minus 122.
what is Y?
Mirror E.
Ah, yes.
Yes,
mirror.
like E.
So also Y is equals to E, then Y equals to Z. What is Z? Oh, what is D? Now we can find D, right?
Yes.
Yes.
You can give me the answer for D. How can we find D? Using what method? How can you find D? Oh, I did a mistake. I wanted to push it just up a little bit. So how can we find D? Who can tell me?
N
Yes?
86
Mm-hmm.
minus D.
No.
No. No. I don't know. 86 plus D equals 180.
Yeah. No.
86 plus 58.
Yes.
The,
56 plus
58 plus D.
plus
D.
58 plus 86 should be equals to
180.
angles in a triangle, right?
Yeah. 36.
D plus what? 58 plus 186 is what? What is the answer there?
58 plus 86 equals 144.
140. Should be 180, right?
Yes.
But now D equals to 180. You can take 144 the other side, right?
Yes.
This is algebra. You must go back home and study this if you don't know. What is the answer? 36?
Yes. 36.
I should make it a little bit bigger. So what is Z?
Like D.
Yes, so Z is equals to D, which is equals to
36.
36.
easy lesson, huh?
Yes.
But if I give you the question, can you do it? If I bring this question, can you do it? If I tell you to find D in the exam, can you do it?
Yes.
Yes.
Anybody with a question anywhere? Anybody with a question anywhere? Nobody with a question anywhere?
No, sir.
Okay. So I think we should go on then to the next thing. Can you try and do question 3? Can I scroll up and start drawing my question 3 as you draw yours?
No,
Yes.
Mr. 1 minute. I am writing the D.
Okay. Amna, where were you? You are late.
I am here.
No, you just came. Lojane is not here. Where is this Lojane and Reham? What is happening to these people?
Sir, I'm here.
What? Riham?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, let me see. I text your mom. The text did not go through, so I'll delete it. Where were you? Yesterday you did not come.
I came, sir, but I didn't talk because I have something on the internet. Yesterday we didn't have math, sir.
Not yesterday, before yesterday. Who is that, Lojane or Riham?
Reham.
Okay. So what about, where is Lojane?
Lujane, I don't know.
Okay. So can we go on? Can I take a screenshot?
Okay, mister, I finished.
And everybody finished?
I finished.
No, wait, mister.
I'll just take a screenshot for the people who want me to wait.
Wait, mister.
Who is that? Wait. ليش هذا؟ There you go. You have the screenshot with you, so you can do whatever you want with it later on. So can we continue?
Okay. I finished.
Okay, and even if you haven't finished, you've got the screenshot with you in the messages. So
I finish.
So let's continue to the next thing. I'm gonna scroll down to start drawing my question 3, and then we can do question 4, we can do question 5, we can do question 6, we can do question 7, because we are finished with the topics. So can you start drawing your question 3 somewhere? We're going to solve it together, okay? So they are saying there's a square here. Okay, there's a first of all, there's a line here. There's a line like that. Then there is a square. I'm gonna put a square somewhere. There's a square, right? I just want to play with my square so that I don't know how to rotate it, but I believe I can. Maybe if I just touch it. Let me think. I can't. They got me. I can't rotate it. But it should be allowing me to do that. So, I can pick another square. Okay, I can pick this shape and turn it to be a square. Yes, thank you. Everybody's drawing? Hope you're drawing, huh? Oh, I could have rotated this one, which would have been the best. Been the best option. Rotate, not 90 degrees. No. It won't work.
Mister, do you have to draw these 2 squares?
No, draw the ones in the book. Can you see the one in the book? I'm just drawing mine from the book also. Are you sleeping? Yes.
No.
Oh, I'm gonna make it a big square like that. Then I'm going to draw another one. I can put this. It's even easier to draw in OneNote than to draw in PowerPoint. I've come to realize that. Did you know that?
No.
It is. It's proving to be because I just picked the elements here and patch them somewhere. But if I were to draw in PowerPoint, is almost the same thing, but I kind of don't like it. No.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir?
We are doing.
Did you make me present?
Sure.
Mister, you make me also or no?
You're present, of course.
And me.
Okay.
Everybody. Can you continue? Can we start? I won't really bother much about that side. So. Just there. So can you continue, please? So let us label the size with their size. Every vertex with its size. So this one is 25 degrees. I use another pen, and this other one is 40. And this is D, and then we have to find. So what did they want? They want us to find D. D. So to find D, we're going to go through several steps, okay? To find D, I'm going to encourage you first to find X. I'm going to put an X here. Who can find X for us? And then we're going to find Z also.
40 plus 25 plus X equals.
40 plus
40 plus 25 plus X.
is what?
180.
Okay, so we can find X that way, right? So let us start. And one thing, don't forget, they say that this one is an equilateral triangle, right? Like that. So we start by finding X, which is the simplest thing. So it will be X.
X is 115.
So it is X plus
40 plus 25.
25, 40.
80, right?
Yes.
Teacher, X plus 40, not 50.
Okay, so sorry. So I'm gonna change it here. 180 minus 65, right?
Yes.
I change it there. So what is the answer?
115.
Easy.
Yes.
So let's continue. So what about Z? Who can tell me what is the value of Z? Who can tell me? Because that is a square, remember? Right? So what is Z if that is a square? They said that is a square, right? Question 3.
D plus X?
Huh?
No.
Who can try, please? Another person?
25 plus X?
No. Properties of a square. Squares have got each side equals to what in degree?
180.
No.
360.
Each corner. In a square, these corners are 90 degrees. You don't know?
90.
So Z is 90, right? Because it is a square. Okay, let's continue. So we have this one is, you can see how it is easy if you know the. So who can give me, okay, let me find another one and name it Y. What is the value of Y?
Where Y?
Y is there, you can see it in black.
Ah, yeah. Yes.
Who can give me the value of Y?
Same like Z, yeah?
90.
Not
Mirror
90.
and
90.
Not 90.
90.
Angles in an equilateral, they add up to what? I mean, angles in an equilateral, they're equal to?
180.
Oh, they add up to 180, but those angles themselves, they're equal to what? Hey. Can I ask you, if you have an equilateral triangle, it means it is like this. Let me draw an equilateral
It's
triangle.
all equal. Sides are all equal.
Yes, yes. So what about the angles?
60.
Yes, 60. So it is 60, 60,
Yeah.
60. So y is equals to 60, right?
60, yes.
Why? What is the reason? Angles in an
Equal.
equilateral triangle. Triangle, like that. Are we together?
Yeah.
Okay, so how can we find D? So
D mirroring X. Reflecting.
no, it is not reflecting because this is not a straight line.
Oh.
Zx is 115. It is not reflecting, okay?
Okay.
Because for them to be reflecting, there must be two straight lines like that, okay? So that if this is, this is 100, then this must be 100, okay?
Okay.
But these two lines are not reflecting. You can see I mean, they are not straight line. You can see that the black line and the red line in the square, they're not straight, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So how can you find D?
Z
Mm-hmm.
plus X plus Y? No.
Yes, is equals to what?
180.
No.
360.
Yes, angles in a triangle, angles around a point add up to 360. We did this in grade 7 with the Najma and the Jane. If you have a line here, if you have a point and you go around, you get 360. So you can see we can have a point somewhere here. Let me put a point. All these are meeting at the blue point, right?
Yes.
So if we go around the blue point, it is 360. Is that okay?
Mhm.
So what does this mean? It means that 90 plus, it means that D, I normally like to start with the letter itself. D plus 90 plus 115
Plus 60.
60 is equal to what?
360.
Oh, I think Najma was seeing dust there. Najma, you were seeing dust there, right? So D plus what?
D plus
You add 90 plus 60, you get 115 plus 1, you get 150 plus 115 will be 265
265, yeah.
Yes.
is equals to 360, right? So then D is equals to-
95.
yes,
D
365.
equals 95.
I don't know. Subtract it. Let me see. I'm sure.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes, 95. So is it easy?
Yes.
But not that easy, right? So what about I put an M here? Oh, this will be hard. But it is not hard. What is the value of M?
What?
M. Can you see the M?
Yes, yes.
M is equals to?
40?
Yes, it is 40 because you can see the black and the blue lines, I mean the black and the red line, they are straight, all of them, right?
Yes.
They're not bending anywhere. And what if I put a K somewhere here? I think it's better if I put a K here. What is K?
Where? Okay.
Yes.
Then 80.
Is K?
140.
Are you sure? No? No? Do you know why it is not 140? Because remember all these sides are 60, 60, right?
60.
So it means K plus 60 plus 40 is?
180.
180.
So it means
80.
Oh, yes, yes. K. You can see we are learning a lot of things. Plus 60, 40 is equals to 180.
80.
If you do your maths very well, is equals to 180. Do your maths very well, K will be equals to 80. Because it will be 60 plus 40 is 100, we take 100 on the other side. Let me do it because some people will not see. They'll start complaining. See, I cannot see. Any question?
No.
Oh, can I give you an exercise from this? Can I make this one an R here? Can you find R?
90?
No, R is not 90.
40?
No, stop guessing. Because why is it 40? It is there are no parallel lines here. Black one and the blue lines are not parallel. If they were parallel, then automatically it would be a 40. I agree with that. Definitely.
25.
No, it's not 25. Something close.
30?
30. No, who is guessing that? You can see R and 125 and 90 degrees are in a straight line, right?
Yes.
So what happens? How can you find R? You know that these angles here, they're in a straight line, right?
Yes.
That means that
Is it 65?
yes, it is 65. 65, of course. Thank you.
25 plus 90.
Yes. Is equals to? Because they're in a straight line, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So R will be equals to. Are you guys writing everything?
Yes.
Yes, I am writing.
Okay. 180 minus 125, 90 plus 25 is what? 110?
150.
90 plus 25 is 115, not 150. Which is equals to? R
65.
is equals to 65. Then we can call it a day. They are not easy, but in class, here we are very slow. Because in class, we did all these questions in 2 days. I don't know why we are very slow here. You can see here we are taking a lot of time to start the lesson called the register. Okay, can we, I think we should just, after finishing writing, we can leave, I think. We'll do question 4 next time, but I don't think next time I will go to Pythagoras theorem, and this question 4 will come back later and revise it again. Because we need to do Pythagoras theorem. I will not teach you the way I taught people in the class, because in class, you know, we have a lot of time. When people are here physically, it is easy. When you're far away, things change a little bit. Okay, I'll stop recording. For here, I'll use a little bit shortcut. Not shortcut, but a summary.